What's up, guys? It's your boy Killa here. You know, we're out here at the good old down in North Carolina, Charlotte Motor Speedway. We're out here testing today. Good old Joe Ryan. You know, haven't been in an electric car for about a month. You know, we got our new scheme on. It's really nice. I really like it. So we got our new partners, Prime Fuels and Paramount Auto Collision, on the car. Really want to thank them for, you know, partnering up with us for this year. And as you can see, I've done lost my voice. You know, we had a field day at school the other day. You know, I was pumping up my team for tug of war. So my voice is gone from that. But this sure ain't gonna help it either. But so, fun fact about Paramount Auto Collision. My number T2. So it stands for T square, because my uncle, Taylor Truett, passed away, I believe it was about 2015. And so everyone called him T square, so square is 2 in math. So we put T2 as the number, and it's stuck ever since. And so, actually, Taylor used to be an owner of Paramount Auto Collision. And, you know, I'm having a lot of fun out here. So, you know, definitely a really competitive track. So, you know, we're definitely going to be out here a bunch this summer. And, yeah, let's get some work in, and I'll catch y'all on the video. Well, we're here at Charlotte Motor Speedway. It just got done pouring rain. We got out there for our first session. Not our best session. Just need to use a little less brake, you know what I'm saying? Just carry a little bit more speed through the corner and get a little more angle, and, you know, just some basic stuff. And, you know, got the sun coming out behind me. And, you know, we're here to have fun and get faster. So, we'll see what we can do later.
But right now, the demo practice is great practice. We're going to practice all summer in the drive, but we're never going to get this. This is good to me. Okay? I got to wait till one of them come out because I like for you to be out there.
All right, Cam, so tell us what we got going on here.
Well, I'm driving a dirt car today, guys.
Dirt car at Charlotte Motor Speedway?
Uh-huh.
I've never seen it.
So, you know, it's been raining a lot, and with these rain tires, you got to run the top all the way around. So we're going to be able to
So
shift around this
it's
stuff.
been raining, and we're trying to dry the track, but in the meantime, we're going to go out there and run a little bit. We don't have rain tires on yet. We still got regular treads. I guess you would call these rain tires. They're not slicks. So we're going to practice kind of in the slick door. I get it. So we're going to kind of practice driving in the rain for the first time. You excited?
Oh yeah, this is super new to me. I've only got in the rain once, and I didn't really even drive in it. So I'm super excited.
All right, let's go see what you can do. When's the last time you run here in the rain?
2020?
Yeah.
2020 was the last time.
So did they outlaw it, or?
Tire shortage. Yeah.
So you got treaded tires on now.
So they have rain tires.
I mean, I see the tread.
Right now we're on slicks.
Yeah. What's the? They have the crawl screws for the rain tires.
Yeah, they have rain tires.
Tread. Okay.
Yep. So if it rains this summer, we'll run the rain tires. Right now, the rain tires are almost back here.
Mm-hmm.
But right now, I feel like if you were to go out right now, this is faster than rain tires.
Yeah. Because there's not enough water down.
There's not standing water.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Maddox, what do you think about the rain?
It's really slick. Like, it feels like ice.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's my new favorite thing.
My man is a new YouTuber. He can't be shy. He's got to get on. All right, your new favorite thing is the rain?
Oh, yeah.
You like it? Have you ever driven dirt before?
Never. I want to, but...
Yeah.
If I win Summer Shootout Championship, I can get a dirt car, so...
Dang! That's what I'm talking about. Hey, enter me in.
A deal's a deal.
Dirt car. Hey, you got to get up on the wheel then.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, well, maybe you and Cam will tie. Let's take that.
Really?
That counts, right?
Tie.
That counts. The championship is tie. You get a car, you win, we win. We'll take it, right?
I don't know. I'll let him get second.
Oh, hey, I got to go now. Easy. Hey, man, you like this?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so what's the best part about it?
I get to go sideways and go.
Sideways. Hold her, cuz. What do you got to do better here?
Get higher in both corners and still be aggressive on the gas off the corner.
So higher on the entry or higher through the whole corner?
Like higher just through the whole corner.
Yeah, I got you. All right, dude, let's see what you can do. All I hear about is dirt. Want to go to Millbridge, want to go to Millbridge. All right, let's see. If you can be the fastest out of the whole group, we might go to Millbridge.
Got to be able to be aware of your surroundings. The racetrack.
All right, big dog. What you working on here?
Use way less brake.
Way less brake?
Way less brake.
Yeah.
Brakes were glowing red.
Yeah.
When I came pulled in last time, they were actually about 1,000 degrees. So.
Wow, really 1,000? Yeah, that's what it looked like to me. What about your arc in turn 3?
Sir?
What about your arc in turn 3?
I thought it was pretty good there. Got to be a leader there. When he was behind you, it got to be so much better.
okay? When you get behind the car, invisible, right? Focus on what you do, man. You hear me? You're so much better when you're a leader. When you can look at your marks, you're focused in. We're good, okay? Doing good, buddy.
Can you break the car down to me?
Well, entry of 1, I feel loose. Set, I feel...
What about on the brakes? How do you feel on the brakes?
Like brakes, I feel good.
They feel good, so you don't have to move the lever at all. Okay. Center?
Center, it feels good, like the car wants to rotate more. And then exit, it gets like really free.
Okay. Both corners?
Both corners, yeah.
Doing great, buddy. Hey, let's go get low 30s right.
Okay.
Yeah. What'd you run there?
47.
No, gotta get better than that. Okay. Nice job. What do you think we're missing? How does it feel?
What do you run? It's
I don't think it picked up.
the car felt a lot better. But I do need to gas it up a little harder.
Yeah, like you just felt like a little too controlled. What I just hearing it, you know. So. But.
I was just trying to calm it down a little too, because last session I was everywhere off the corners.
It was fast though. Yeah. Good job. What's your fastest time of the day?
32.
32? Good job, buddy. All right.
It's hot.
You look consistent there, but we need about a 1/10 more consistent. Like a 1/10 more and be consistent at that, okay? Good job. You got better.
Yep.
Good job, dude.
Thank you. What's up, guys? It's Killa Cam here. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Here with Pops in the truck on the way home from Charlotte. We had our first private test session yesterday. It's accomplished. And I'll see y'all next week for the open test session at Charlotte Motor Speedway. And then the week after that, it's race day, baby. So I'll see y'all then. Peace.